The cost is incredibly important whenever you're considering how to set up a website. And there are many costs that come into play. So one of the main costs is, well, two of the main costs are the domain hosting cost and the web hosting cost as well. And you'll find typically this is subscription based and it's annual or monthly. Then also the cost of making content, and this is something that people might not consider, but things like design software, equipment, how you're actually making that content, whether it's photography, videography, anything else like that. Then also external support. So this is all about actually setting up your own website, but it could be that you need to create something a bit more specialist, in which case you might need to consider hiring a web designer for some specific elements, or hiring an SEO specialist to really help you rise to the top of the ranks on search engines as well. So it's considering all of those things whenever you're setting up a website, and these are just some of the main costs involved. So this is an example of how to set up a domain using GoDaddy. So again, what you'll maybe type is, I've just typed in "I'm not a cat" since there's a trending meme. Slightly cheesy, but I couldn't think of anything else to put in there. And that just gives you an idea of all the different sort of endings that come up. So you've seen .co.uk, you've seen .com, but there'll be lots of others as well. And it'll tell you for how long you can get a contract or subscription and how much that costs as well. So it's important to have a look into that to see what's affordable and what you'd like in that aspect too. And this is an example from Squarespace as well. And you'll find this across all of the other web hosting sites as well, that they have a tiered type of plan, which means that you can have your basic, very personal plan. You can have something that's a step up, that's more of a business plan. Or you can have a really sort of, all singing, all dancing type of plan, which is more of a commerce or professional plan as well. So it's worth having a look at what you actually need for your website. And it's important to remember that it's a recurring cost. So it's not usually a one-off thing. It usually comes around the same time each year. So it's trying to find something that's really affordable for yourself as well.